The graphic CBA 2 is about graphically explaining your thought through a medium of your own choice. My way of completing the Light Fantastic design task is student centered, where we help the students to grasp graphical knowledge abstractly through different well planned tasks, then relate it back to the original problem. The reason for this is that students grasp that these new learned skills can be used for a range of different uses, which they will get interested in from the start and maintain interest throughout the completion of the CBA. I use peer activities, student-centred and teacher-led activities in this CBA to give a broad range of teacher-student learning. For the first lesson, I would give a topic that they're all interested in to teach them about primary and secondary resources. The reason why I'd pick something that the students are interested in, such as farming in some schools, would be that they would like doing it and therefore they get interested in it from the start. If we don't pitch an activity to students from the start, they won't learn about it. They'll get uninterested. It's abstract from the Light Fantastic, but in the following lesson, in lesson 2, I bring it in to the Light Fantastic. The way I've kind of done it is I've done the double teaching the students through different activities about what needs to be put into their own CBA, and then the single is for actually completing their CBA. So in lesson 2, I'd introduce the task. I'd have structured sheets at the start, and I would help them work through it. In lesson 3, I'd be teaching students about the key concepts. So there's a few tasks I have in it. So presentation at the end. So this gives students something to work towards in the double, so they know what's going on, and it's local and global, and I'm giving them a media of their own choice. So first week, I had structured sheets where they had to sketch. Now they can take it out and they can start using media of their own choice, such as sketching, maybe cutting things out with paper. So I'll be bringing in UDL into it. The reason for this is different students would prefer to get their point across through different mediums. So in lesson 4 is a single. So I will get them to create a sheet which they'd have to pick and explain the key concepts of that Light Fantastic sketching. So they'd have to have subheadings, so small problems and sketched out, and then define them into more detailed, abstractly. Lesson 5. So I do a short recap because this will be the last teaching class sort of. So I want to just do a recap on all the knowledge to run through anything while I have a double. So then I'd start linking. I'd explain how to link the resources, the research, and the key concepts together. So that would be a big part. So I will spend a good 40 minutes at that. And then I'd move on to communication. So they have a bit set the tone here. They have completed a CBA before, so they know about the different types of media they can use. But this is a slightly different because it's graphically explaining. So I'll just touch on the graphic side of things. So and then the last lesson I'll do another recap, just for me as a teacher to ensure that each student knows what to do. Then I would let the students complete their CBA, organise what they have done in it, organise what they need to do. I give them a kind of short outline what they should have. So the research they should have completed, the concepts they have, and the way they link them together, and what they have used. So the forms of media, that they don't just use the one form of media the whole way through. Then I would let them complete their CBA, the finishing touches on it, and I would be able to go around to give helpful forms of feedback to the students to ensure that they have completed the CBA to a high standard. So that's the way I would introduce the Light Fantastic brief as a CBA too.